Hey everybody, welcome back to my next video. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Veronica, or Ronnie. Today we're going to make rocky rolled slice. So I got the ingredients: cherries, marshmallows, sugar, coconut, dark chocolate butter, self-raising flour and flour. So right, here's my mum.
Hello.
She's going to be helping me in the back behind the scenes. Let's go. We're going to preheat the oven. What's the degrees?
180.
Oh. Okay. Ah. Got it.
Good. Okay, 180?
Yep.
Okay. Now, get your pan ready.
What pan? This?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna spray.
Yeah, spray it.
Got it. Okay.
Just, yeah. Okay, yeah. Yep. Okay, now you're going to,
Put paper on the top.
yeah, and up the sides, so.
Okay. About there?
Yeah, maybe a bit more. Yeah. Oh, yeah, okay, yeah. Yep.
Ah.
No, down the bottom.
What?
Yeah.
Gonna whip it.
Whip it.
Oh, it feels crooked.
Are you recording?
Yes. Yeah.
Oops. Yep.
Okay. Now we'll get ready for the
Pot.
yes. Hang on.
So we're going to do 150 grams
Yeah, of chocolates.
of chocolates.
Yeah.
Just your hands. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate. What are we doing?
150. So what's it on? Is it past the 200?
No.
No, okay.
I think so.
Okay.
So what are we doing now?
You got it 125 grams?
Yes.
Oh. Sorry. 150. Yeah, sorry, 150. You got 150.
Yes.
Put it in the pot. Okay, now get the butter.
Put it in there too.
Yeah, that's 125 grams.
Oops, so it's in chunks.
Yeah, that's right, because you've got to melt it on the stove.
Yeah.
Is it all in? Okay.
Yep. Might just use the fat one because
Okay.
that one's a bit funny.
Okay.
Oh no, if we use that one.
Yeah. And you've got to keep stirring it. Is it on?
Yep.
Okay.
Use this.
Yeah, the wooden spoon, yes.
Still got the butter.
Okay, just so that's getting there.
Yeah. Don't know what the bumps are.
Well, is it nearly all gone?
What the bumps?
Yeah.
No. Yeah.
So that's all good, all smooth.
Yeah.
Okay,
So.
we'll take it off, take it off the element and put it on the back one so it can cool.
This one here.
Yeah. So we'll just let that cool down.
Yep.
And we'll get the other stuff ready.
Yep.
Timer on for 10 minutes.
10 minutes. 10 minutes.
Yes.
Yep.
Right, now you need, get the sugar, get out a bowl.
That's hard to see.
Just any, it doesn't matter, just any bowl because I'm just getting it ready.
Any bowl?
Yeah, just one of those little bowls from the on the drawer. Yeah. Okay, so you need,
Are you recording again?
yeah.
Oh, you could have seen.
No,
Now,
you could have asked.
you need, just 2/3. So we'll get it ready to mix in. Oh, is it? Level it off. Get his knife. Oh, okay. Get out another bowl. No, get out another bowl. Okay, put the
Put it in this
2/3.
one?
Yes. Rightio.
So that little one there. Oh, it's sticky. It's sticky. So what are we doing now?
Just give it a little bit of a whiz. Don't do too much. Don't want to get it too. Don't make a mess.
I'm not.
No, you're doing very well.
Okay.
Okay.
What?
Flour.
Normal flour.
Yeah, tell them what you're doing.
Okay. A cup.
No, 3/4.
3/4 cup of normal flour. Okay. One.
Yeah, that's one. Yeah. No, you don't need any more. No.
So I call it a cup of self-raising flour.
Yes.
Okay. Crap over here.
No, quarter, Veronica. Yeah.
No, I made a mess. And shift it.
Yeah, sift it, yes. Just do it slowly, don't. Good girl.
Oops. Oops.
And you're getting some on the side.
Yeah, I know. Person with OCD.
Bring it.
Bring the pot over.
Yep.
Because it's 10 minutes is up. I still got.
It's all right. Now, add the sugar.
Okay. Add the sugar.
Yes, stir it.
I've just put a whole sugar in there.
Yep. Okay. Is that all stirred in?
It looks like it.
Okay, add the egg.
Oops. Add the egg.
Yes.
Ooh, it looks like runny poos.
Okay, stir that all in. Is it all mixed?
Yeah.
Okay, now add the flour.
Ooh.
Fold in the flour. You know how to fold.
I'll just put a whole flour.
You put the whole flour in, and then you fold it.
Yeah, I know. I know. Whoops. Oops.
Good girl. That's it. Yep.
Unfolding. Right, it's all mixed together. I'm going to put it in here. Oh, it looks like I don't want to say it.
No, because we'll be eating it later on.
Right. I might use my hands.
No, use the spatula there.
Spatula.
Yeah, see?
Smooth.
Yeah.
Like a cake. Look. Look. There you go. It's all smooth out and nice. Nice. So we're going to put another.
Yeah.
So, put in the oven. Oh, these.
What's that? Oh, paper. It's be all right. It's paper from last night's. Is it nice and square in there?
Oh, I can't take it out.
No, it's all right. It's just foil, Veronica. It'll be all right. There we go.
So we're doing the rock and roll part, aren't we, Mum?
Yeah, the topping.
The topping. So we're gonna blend it. So what?
The third cup of that coconut.
Okay. I know.
Maybe a little bit more. Oh, geez, a little bit. Oh, okay. Yeah, just see. Okay. Right. Put it all together. Okay, turn the thing on 3. It's better putting the top on.
We'll find out.
Yep, it's okay. Right, it's all set again.
I think so.
Okay. You need half a cup of nuts.
Oh, half a cup. Oh, ooh, nuts. Half a cup.
Okay, yep.
No?
No, just half a cup.
I'll chop this.
No. Yeah, that's way. Yep, now turn it. Yes. Yes, you got it. Okay, now turn it on again. Cut up nice and small.
Yeah, I think so. I'm going to open the terry bag. Oh, they stink.
Okay, cut them in half. And put them in the cup. Here.
They stink.
Hang on. That's what you're doing?
Tearing it.
Okay. Oh, right.
So what?
Then I cut them first.
What?
So, and then cut them again.
You cut them again.
Yeah.
Did you see that?
No.
What? A pinch of marshmallow.
Oh, yes.
What?
Oh, yes, it's going.
What are we doing now?
Well, just tell them you got
We've got the ingredients.
marshmallows
Red cherries
and nuts and coconut.
and nuts and coconut. So we're going to put the
Now let's
nuts, the spelling. Alright. We're going to open it.
get your stick out.
Yes, I know. Poke, 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 poke. To the light on.
Ooh. Oh. Do it again, yeah. Look at the stick. Or maybe another 5 minutes.
500 grams?
Yes.
Oh,
Actually, that's, yeah. No, a lot more, Veronica.
yeah, no. Chuck this chocolate here. It's 200.
Okay. We need 300 more.
Okay. I'll put a little bit in.
Okay. Right.
Yeah, I think so. We're going to let it cool down,
Hang on.
we're going to let it cool down for how many minutes?
Well, just, yeah. Room temperature, so
Room temperature,
maybe
yeah.
half an hour.
Okay.
And then you can make the topping.
Yep.
Then we'll come back and make the topping
Yep.
ingredients.
Yep. Put it in the pot, isn't it?
So what you're doing?
Going to put the chocolates in the pot. Turn it on.
You get a spoon and melt it.
Yeah, I know. This will be fine.
Yep. Mm.
So it's gas, so it'll melt really quick. Oh,
Hold her.
Chris. The cook.
Oh, it's melted. Okay.
It's melted.
Rightio.
We'll put
Yep,
on
everything-
here.
Yeah, everything's going in.
Everything on here.
Cherries.
Cherries. Come on. There you go. And marshmallows. So I'm going to stir them together.
Yeah.
Woohoo! I'm got a sticky situation. Marshmallows are sticky!
Okay, I'll stir it all.
Okay, we're gonna spread it on top. Oh! That came out hard and fast.
Spread it around.
Ugh. Oops. 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 Thank you for watching my video how to make Rocky Road slice. Subscribe, push the notification bell for more videos down the line. If you guys want this recipe, the link's down in my description down below. So we're going to put this in the fridge for how long? For like an hour. So, okay.